Welcome to Easy Way of Learning 10th Standard Social Science. One mark question and answers. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. GNP equals option A, NNP adjust for inflation, option B, GDP adjust for inflation, option C, GDP plus net property income from abroad, option D, NNP plus net property income or abroad. The correct answer is option C, GDP plus net property income from abroad. Question number 2. National income is a measure of option A, total value of money, option B, total value of producer goods, option C, total value of consumption goods, option D, total value of goods and services. The correct answer is option D, total value of goods and services. Question number 3. Primary sector consists of option A, agriculture, option B, automobiles, option C, trade, option D, banking. The correct answer is option A, agriculture. Question number 4. Dash approach is the value added by each intermediate good is summed to estimate the value of final good. Option A, expenditure approach, option B, value added approach, option C, income approach, option D, national income. The correct answer is option B, value added approach. Question number 5. Which one sector is highest employment in the GDP? Option A, agricultural sector, option B, industrial sector, option C, service sector, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, service sector. Question number 6. Cross value added at current price for services sector is estimated at dash lakh crore in 2018 to 19. Option A, 91.06, option B, 92.26, option C, 80.07, option D, 98.29. The correct option is option B, 92.26. Question number 7. India is dash larger producer in agriculture product. Option A, first, option B, third, option C, fourth, option D, second. The correct answer is option D, second. Question number 8. India's life expectancy at birth is dash years. Option A, 65, option B, 60, option C, 70, option D, 55. The correct answer is option A, 65. Question number 9. Which one is a trade policy? Option A, irrigation policy. Option B, import and export policy. Option C, land reform policy. Option D, wage policy. The correct answer is option B, import and export policy. Question number 10. Indian economy is option A, developing economy. Option B, emerging economy. Option C, dual economy. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option A, developing economy. Roman letter second, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Dash sector is the largest sector in India. Service. Question number 2. GDP is the indicator of dash economy. Health of an economy. Question number 3. Secondary sector otherwise called as industrial sector. Roman letter 3. Match the following. The questions are electricity, gas and water, national income or population, price policy, gross national product, GST, industry sector, per capita income, agriculture, C plus I plus G plus X minus M, tax on goods and service. The answers are electricity or gas and water, industry sector, price policy, agriculture, GST, tax on goods and service, per capita income, national income or population, C plus I plus G plus X minus M, gross national product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.